Hey guys, got the Jegs Torch Monster Truck out here. Got my buddy Jeff, let him drive it, and this is the first run of it. Man, this thing's freaking cool. Definitely a little powerhouse in the grass. I did a few wheelies with it and all kinds of crap. A lot of fun. Guy can't wait till we get the racetrack built over there. But yeah, she's a good little runner. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you hit the gas on it pretty good, and man, she'll do some wheel standing and all that fun stuff.
I gotta give you one. I'll it.
Yeah, this one's made by Sun Racing, and the same company that makes that Ford dually that you guys were looking at. But it's just rebranded for Jegs. But man, it's a good run truck. I haven't seen anything wrong with it so far. You know, spent a lot of time, you know, looking at it, and she's a good running little bird. A little bird. I just got done flying. Good running little truck. Oh, dun dun dun. I got it set up on a 2S lipo, and you know, of course, it's a brush motor setup, and oh, found a hole. Yeah, I can't wait till we get the racetrack built out there. That'll be a lot of fun. That's weird filming something without driving it. I like that. I think Jeff's hooked now. He'll be heading to the hobby shop. Okay, I need a truck.
Yep. You're right. You're right.
You see the radio, the rubber on the radio, that even feels good. I mean, that's a good feeling controller.
It is different.
She'll definitely wheelie. Oh my God! That was
badass.
Holy crap! I got that on film. I think. I hope.
That was badass.
Oh, that was totally unintentional too. Holy crap! Not try to do it again. I ain't gonna do it. That was cool. Holy crap! Ah.
You gotta get going a little fast.
Man, what I want to do when I start doing the off-road truck race stuff like this, I want to do like the freestyle where they got a big block where you can drive up the block and then climb that block and backflip, you know. But yeah, so well guys, this was a lot of fun driving this little guy. So I wanted to get the maiden run out there, and hope you guys are all doing good. Thanks. Take care.